Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to withdraw money on NoOnes, aka how to send money to your bank. And we can do this by going to wallet, and then at wallet we have here crypto to bank. Then when we arrive here on this page, we see this. We can send right here Bitcoin or Tether to our bank account, and you will receive it right here in Nigerian dollars. Now, we don't want that. We want GBP or whatever you like, but this is fine for me. And then right now, fill in the amount that you want to cash out. Then right here the type that you have in your wallet, and then you will receive it right here. Then you do next, and then you go to the payment details. You need to fill in them correctly, confirm them, and then in the last step, your transfer is complete. So this is how you can withdraw money to your bank, and hopefully this was the video where you was looking for. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.